Ozzy. What are you eating?
I mean, a limited. Oh.
You deserve it. I can't do it. Oh my God.
Get on your knees.
I should do these in slow-mo. I don't have any more soda. I don't have it. I can't make myself hurt. I think that was it. Let's do another one.